Wahala for who wan talk true about Tinubu government. One thing I like be say Baba try for renewed hope transport matter. Dat compressed natural gas bus plan fit reduce fuel stress small. If dem run am well, e go make transport cheap pass okrika shoe. But why I no go rush re-elect am for 2027 be say plenty talk still dey ground, action dey drag. Nigerians no want motivational speech again, na belle we wan feel. Food price dey climb like monkey wey no wan come down. So the wahala be say we dey wait to see whether CNG go turn to reality or na another abracadabra. My people, shine your eye well. No sell your vote for 2027 again. 2027 na our exam hall. Make we mark government exam script. No sell your vote for rice and wrapper before we cry I know for another 4 years. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more interesting wahala matter. Una do.